Parker Colbert, Speedokote Refinish Network. Alright, so I have a really small job for you guys, just a headlight restoration. I've been seeing a lot of videos lately of guys doing headlight restorations just completely wrong or just taking way too many steps to complete the process. I just wanted to provide some more clarity on this process, how to do it the quickest, what products I use, and how to get super high quality professional results. So first things first, you want to go ahead and just tape around your headlights. That way when you're trying to wet sand it, you're not really trying to be careful around the edges. You can kind of just get in there, do what you got to do. So this is the part that literally drives me crazy. I hear a lot of guys, they say, oh, I'll start at 600 grit, then I'll move to 1500 grit, then I'll move to 2000 grit. One sheet of 2000 grit will take care of even the roughest headlights. You might have to sit there a tiny bit longer depending on how rough or the headlights are, but one piece of 2000 grit always gets the job done 99% of the time. Let's go and hook this pad up, get sanding. Here's a little trick to see how well we sanded the headlight. We have a little bit of wax and grease remover on our rag. We're gonna do what's called a wet check. So all you do is you take the rag, wipe it over the headlight, and as you guys can see, it's crystal clear. Obviously it goes away because the solvent evaporates. We'll check a little bit over here, looking nice and clean. So yeah, these are ready for clear. Another mistake I see people doing, not masking the whole car. This plastic sheeting is very cheap. It's only 20 bucks for a 350-foot roll. Throw your plastic over the car, cut your headlights out, tape them up, you're ready for a shoot. Okay, so now for the clear coat we're using the Speedokote Select Blends all over Glamour Clear. This clear coat is by far one of the friendliest, most highest gloss, easiest to work with, longest lasting clears that Speedokote offers. The shine it puts off is just truly immaculate. The goal behind these headlight restorations is to make them look like brand new, like they were never touched, and this is the only product that I trust to do that. Let's get some clear loaded up in the gun. Let's shoot these. There you guys have it, brand new looking headlights. We only did one step for the sanding, cleaned them off, taped the car up, shot the clear over it, we were done. I just wanted to clarify and clear up the confusion as far as how you can get really good quality results out of your headlight restoration like this, but at the same time not take 2 to 3 hours to do it. This is a simple 45 minute to an hour job if you do it like this with just one step of the sanding. Really helps save you a lot of time. And of course with the Glamour Clear, extremely in-depth factory shine, it looks really good, and this will last a long time. That wraps it up. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.